Hello, and I'm so excited that you're here and that you want to learn how to style like a boss, because I want to teach you how to style like a boss. My name is Khalid Patrice. I'm the original hair whisperer, and we'll talk a little bit more about me later, but let me tell you first what I know about you. You're a hair whisperer too. Whether or not you feel like one right now today, what I know to be true is you are the best person to style your hair quickly, beautifully, healthily, every single day. Nobody but you. And I am excited to help you unlock your inner hair whisperer. You also have beautiful curls and you're inspired to consider learning more. So Style Like a Boss may be exactly what you need. Inside Style Like a Boss, you're going to find a few things. One is fundamental tips, tricks, and tutorials all about textured hair. Number two is inspiration, because learning happens easier when we're having fun. We have lots of fun. Gaining new tips and tricks is going to happen for a lifetime, not just through this course. You're going to be inspired to keep learning. Number three, there is a parallel path of self-discovery that happens, because hair is not just about hair. I know that as we change your mind about your hair, we change your life, and you'll have an opportunity to do journal entries around your thoughts, your attitudes, your beliefs, and your mindset. Last but not least, and perhaps most importantly, is the Hair Love community. You, as a member of Style Like a Boss, will also be a part of a community of hair lovers and fellow hair whisperers on their own hair journeys. While the course is self-paced and you'll be working alone through your own coursework in whatever order you please, weekly and monthly you have the opportunity to convene with other members of the Hair Love community and yours truly, your resident expert. I promise to share more about my background so that you know a little about your guide through Style Like a Boss. I started styling hair professionally over 30 years ago. And while I'm licensed to practice cosmetology in multiple states, I'm what you might call a super nerd as it relates to hair. I wanted to know any and everything that there was to know about hair at the deepest levels, and so I got a degree in chemical engineering and formulated hair care products for highly textured hair. I also advised product manufacturers on product formulations and reformulations, package design, and marketing initiatives directed at consumers just like you. In 2020, I, like you, was stuck at home and no way to legally use these fingers to do what I love. And so I poured everything I had into Hair Camp Home Edition, an online course that teaches personal transformation through hair. Style Like a Boss is but one of the courses in Hair Camp Home Edition, and I hope I'll have the opportunity to meet you there.